Welcome to BESTOPE's lab. The best makeup brushes are probably one of the most essential yet often overlooked components of a flawless makeup application, transforming a good look into a truly stunning one with their ability to blend, define, and sculpt with precision and ease, making them indispensable tools for both beginners and seasoned makeup artists alike. These versatile instruments, ranging from fluffy powder brushes to dense foundation applicators and delicate eyeshadow shaders, are meticulously designed to work with various formulas and achieve diverse finishes, ensuring that every stroke contributes to the overall artistry of your makeup. Number 5. Kitsch Dermaplane Razor, 12 PCS. Achieve smoother, radiant skin with our Dermaplane razor. It gently removes fine hairs and exfoliates dead skin cells for a refreshed complexion. Designed for both women and men, this facial razor is perfect for all skin types. It's a versatile tool for your skincare routine. Experience instantly smoother skin after just one use. It effectively tackles peach fuzz and rough patches, revealing a softer texture. Our razors provide a gentle yet effective way to dermaplane your face. Enjoy a comfortable experience and visible results. More than just a face razor, it's also ideal for shaping eyebrows and as a facial shaver. Get multiple benefits from one simple tool. This pack includes 12 dermaplane razors, ensuring you always have a fresh one ready. It's an economical choice for maintaining your skin. What we like? Achieve incredibly smooth skin with this facial razor. It gently exfoliates and removes unwanted peach fuzz for a flawless base. If you're looking for an easy way to get a smoother complexion and better makeup application, you should consider this. What people say. The brush is soft and applies makeup evenly. It's easy to clean and maintain. The handle is ergonomic and comfortable to hold. Number 4. BESTOPE Pro 16 PCS Makeup Brush Set. Discover the ultimate tool for a flawless finish. This comprehensive set empowers you to create any look, from subtle to dramatic. Experience the difference of premium synthetic bristles. They provide seamless blending for foundation, powder, and concealer, making application a dream. From defining your eyes with precision to perfecting your complexion, these brushes are designed for every step of your makeup routine. Whether you're an aspiring artist or a seasoned pro, this set offers the versatility you need. Achieve expert results with ease. Transform your makeup application with this essential collection. It's time to achieve professional level results every single day. What we like? This comprehensive makeup brush set offers a brush for every need. The premium synthetic bristles ensure a soft and seamless application. If you are a beginner or a makeup enthusiast looking for a complete and high-quality brush collection, you should consider this. What people say. The brush is soft and blends makeup seamlessly. It comes with a convenient travel case, perfect for on-the-go touch-ups. The bristles are dense yet gentle on the skin, providing an even application. Number 3. TsMADDTs 6PC Eyebrow Kit. Achieve perfectly shaped eyebrows with this comprehensive 6-piece kit. It includes everything you need for precise grooming and shaping. This set features multiple tip styles, ensuring you have the right tool for every task. From fine hairs to ingrown ones, it handles it all. Crafted from high-quality stainless steel, these tweezers are built to last. Enjoy durable performance for all your beauty needs. Go beyond just tweezers. This kit also includes scissors and a brush for a complete eyebrow styling experience. Keep your tools organized and travel ready with the included colorful case. It's perfect for maintaining your look on the go. These precision tools are ideal for facial hair removal, including eyebrows and fine hairs. They are also great for applying false lashes. What we like? Get perfectly shaped brows and tackle fine hairs with this precision tweezer set. It includes multiple tips for various grooming needs. If you need accurate tools for eyebrow shaping, ingrown hairs, or lash application, you should consider this. What people say. The brushes are soft and blend makeup beautifully. This set includes a variety of brushes for different purposes, from foundation to eyeshadow. The handles are ergonomic and comfortable to hold, making application easy. Number 2. Kitsch Continuous Spray Bottle, Terracotta. Achieve perfect hair with an ultra-fine mist that provides even coverage without soaking. It's ideal for refreshing curls, waves, and restyling your hair with ease. This isn't just for hair, it's perfect for misting plants, applying facial toners, or even light cleaning. Its versatility makes it a must-have for various routines. Designed with your comfort in mind, the Easy Pull trigger reduces hand fatigue. Enjoy extended use whether you're styling hair or tending to your plants. Made from recycled materials, this lightweight bottle is both eco-friendly and reusable. Its compact size makes it perfect for travel, ensuring you can style or refresh anywhere. For the best experience, use it with water-based liquids like water or toners. This ensures a consistent, clog-free mist every time. What we like? Experience effortless styling with this continuous spray bottle. It delivers a consistent, ultra-fine mist for even coverage without soaking. If you want a comfortable, eco-friendly, and versatile mister for hair styling, refreshing curls, or even plant care, you should consider this. What people say. The brush is soft and applies makeup evenly. It's easy to clean and maintain. The design is ergonomic and comfortable to hold. Number 1. BESTOPE 14 PCS Makeup Sponge Set. Discover the ultimate tool for your makeup routine. This comprehensive set offers everything you need for a flawless finish. Crafted from non-latex material, these sponges are incredibly soft and gentle, perfect even for sensitive skin. Achieve a smooth application without irritation. Whether it's foundation, concealer, cream, or powder, these versatile sponges blend seamlessly. They are designed for both face and eye makeup application. Keep your sponges clean and protected on the go. The included travel case makes this set perfect for touch-ups anytime, anywhere. With 14 pieces in each set, you'll always have a fresh sponge ready. Enjoy a hygienic and beautiful makeup application every time. Elevate your makeup game with these high-quality beauty blenders. They are designed to give you a professional, airbrushed look effortlessly. What we like? Achieve a flawless finish with these makeup sponges. The soft, non-latex material is gentle on sensitive skin and perfect for blending foundation and concealer. If you are looking for an affordable yet effective way to blend makeup for a seamless look, you should consider this. What people say. The brushes are soft and blend makeup beautifully. This set includes a variety of brushes for different purposes, from foundation to eyeshadow. The handles are ergonomic and comfortable to hold, making application easy. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.